Welcome to the ultimate 30-minute Bybit Masterclass. Today, we are going deep. From the absolute basics of setting up a secure account to executing professional-level technical analysis on Bitcoin and Solana, this is the only guide you will ever need to master the markets. Over the next half hour, I'll take you through the entire Bybit ecosystem. We'll cover security, spot trading, futures, leverage, and I'll share my personal strategies for finding winning trades and managing risk like a pro. Grab a seat and get ready to transform your trading journey. Before we dive in, a crucial disclaimer. Trading cryptocurrencies involves significant risk and may result in the loss of your capital. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Always do your own research and trade responsibly. Your journey starts with a secure account. Go to bybit.com and click sign up. You can use your email or mobile number. I recommend using a unique email just for trading. Once you register, check for the verification code. This is your first step into the global crypto markets. Identity verification is vital. Head to Account and Security and start your KYC. Level 1 is fast. Just an ID photo and a quick face scan. This unlocks higher withdrawal limits and access to Bybit's full suite of professional tools. It's a small step for a huge amount of security and trust. Security is everything. Enable two-factor authentication immediately. Use Google Authenticator for a secondary layer of protection. This ensures that even if someone has your password, they can't access your funds without the code on your phone. It's your personal vault's key. Pro tip: set up an anti-phishing code. This code will appear on every real email from Bybit, protecting you from scams. Also, enable withdrawal address whitelisting. This means funds can only be sent to addresses you've already pre-approved. Maximum security, minimum worry. Now, let's get some capital ready. You can buy crypto with fiat using your credit card or bank transfer, or deposit crypto directly from another wallet. Bybit supports hundreds of assets. We'll be focusing on USDT today as our primary trading fuel. To deposit USDT, click Assets and then Deposit. Select USDT and you'll see your address. You can copy it or scan the QR code. Always ensure you are sending USDT to a USDT address. Mixing coins is a fast way to lose your funds, so stay focused here. Choosing the right network is a pro move. TRC20 is fast and has very low fees, usually around $1. ERC20 can be much slower and more expensive during high traffic. Always make sure the network on Bybit matches the sending platform exactly. This is a critical technical check. If you don't have crypto, P2P trading is your best friend. You can buy USDT directly from other traders using local bank transfers. Bybit acts as an escrow, keeping your funds safe. Look for verified merchants with high completion rates for the smoothest experience. Bybit's unified trading account is a game changer. It allows you to use your entire account balance as collateral for both spot and futures trades. This gives you more flexibility and makes managing your total risk much more efficient. It's a truly professional setup for active traders. Let's tour your new mission control. The dashboard is clean and organized. Markets shows the global pulse, trade is for spot, and derivatives is for futures. Spend some time clicking through. Becoming familiar with this UI is essential for fast execution when the market moves. Welcome to the spot market. Here, you buy and own the actual coins. It's the foundation of any long-term portfolio. I'll show you how to read the price chart, monitor the order book for big buyers, and track your trade history to stay organized. Execution is key. A market order is instant, but a limit order gives you the exact price you want and usually lower fees. Pros use limit orders to ensure precision. I'll show you how to set your price and amount to get the perfect entry every time. Fees add up, so understand the maker-taker model. If you provide liquidity with a limit order, you're a maker and pay less. If you take liquidity with a market order, you're a taker and pay more. Small savings here become big profits over time. Trade smart. Now, For the advanced stuff, USDT perpetual futures. Here, you're trading contracts, not the coins themselves. This allows you to go long to profit from price increases or short to profit from drops. It's the ultimate tool for hedging and high-frequency trading. Leverage is a superpower. It multiplies your buying power, allowing you to control a large position with a small amount of money. At 10x leverage, a 1% price move becomes a 10% gain. But remember, it also multiplies your losses. Respect the power of leverage. My personal rule for success? Keep your leverage low. Staying between 2x and 5x gives you the room to handle market swings without getting liquidated. High leverage is for gamblers. Low leverage is for professionals who want to stay in the game long term. Margin mode is your risk firewall. In isolated mode, the risk is strictly limited to the money you put into that specific trade. If it fails, only that amount is lost. This is the safest way to trade futures, and what I recommend for all my students. Cross-margin uses your entire balance to support your trades. While this can prevent liquidation during extreme spikes, it puts your whole account at risk. It's a tool for advanced traders, but for now, we will stick to the safety of isolated mode. Control is everything. Liquidation happens when your losses reach your margin limit. Bybit will automatically close your position. I'll show you where to see your liquidation price on the screen. Never let a trade reach that point. Your stop loss should always trigger long before liquidation. Funding rates are payments between longs and shorts every 8 hours. They keep the futures price in line with spot. I'll show you how to check if you'll be paying or receiving funding. It's an extra cost or profit you need to account for in your trading plan. The futures order book is fast and liquid. I'll show you how to read market depth to see where large institutional orders are sitting. Understanding these walls of liquidity can give you a massive edge in predicting short-term price movements. Follow the big money. Conditional orders are for pros. They allow you to set an if-then trigger. If price hits X, then buy at Y. This lets you automate your strategy so you don't have to stare at the screen all day. I'll show you how to set these up for perfect breakout entries. Now, for my favorite part, technical analysis. TA is the study of human psychology reflected in price charts. By understanding these patterns, we can predict future moves with high probability. It's a skill that pays for a lifetime. Let's start with the core concepts. Let's look at Bitcoin on the 4-hour time frame. This is the gold standard for day and swing traders. We'll start by identifying the primary trend. Are we making higher highs? If so, the trend is your friend. Let's map out the market structure together. Support is where buyers step in. I'm drawing a green box around the $62,900 demand zone. Notice how Bitcoin consistently bounces from this level. This is where we look for long opportunities, buying when the floor holds strong. Confluence is our goal. Resistance is the ceiling. The red box at $67,000 is where sellers are pushing the price down. When price hits resistance, we look for signs of weakness or a powerful breakout. Understanding these levels is the first step to successful trade planning. Indicators help confirm our bias. The 50 EMA tracks short-term momentum, while the 200 EMA shows the long-term trend. When the 50 is above the 200, we are bullish. I'll show you how these lines act as dynamic support and resistance during a trending market. The RSI tells us if a move is overextended. Above 70 is overbought, below 30 is oversold. But the real magic is in the 50 level. I'll show you how a cross above 50, combined with high volume, is a powerful signal that the bulls are taking back control of the momentum. Bullish divergence is a professional's secret weapon. It's when price makes a lower low, but the RSI makes a higher low. It tells us the selling pressure is dying out even as the price drops. This is one of the most reliable reversal signals in my entire toolkit. Pay attention. Volume is the fuel of the market. Price moves without volume are often fake outs. I'll show you how to read the volume profile to see where the most trading activity has happened. These high-volume nodes act as magnets for price and provide incredible support and resistance. Fibonacci retracement is nature's math applied to trading. The 0.618 golden ratio is where most trends find their correction floor. I'll show you how to draw this tool perfectly from the swing low to the swing high to find your next major entry zone with precision. Now for Solana. SOL is a market leader. On the daily chart, we look at the big picture. Solana has been consistently outperforming Bitcoin lately, which is a massive signal of relative strength. I'll show you how to map out the major daily levels that the big whales are watching. One of my favorite signals is the S/R flip. Look at this level here. Previous resistance has now become rock-solid support. This tells us the market has reached a new equilibrium and is ready for the next leg up. It's a very high probability entry for long positions. Solana is forming a textbook bullish flag. We have a sharp move up, the pole, followed by a clean consolidation channel. This pattern suggests the bulls are just taking a break before another explosive move. I'll show you how to draw the trend lines and wait for the perfect breakout. The trigger is the breakout. We look for a daily candle to close above the upper trend line with high trading volume. This confirms that the consolidation is over and the trend is resuming. I'll show you exactly how to identify a real breakout versus a fake out to save your capital. Let's do the math for our target. We take the height of the flagpole and project it from the breakout point. For Solana, this suggests a move toward the $100 level. We set our take profit slightly below this target to ensure our order gets filled in a fast-moving market. Precision is profit. Where do we put our stop loss? Just below the recent swing low inside the flag. This ensures that if our breakout thesis is wrong, we exit the trade with a small, controlled loss. Protecting your downside is more important than chasing the upside. This is how you trade like a professional. Now, let's bring it all together. We open the order panel. We enter our entry price, our stop loss, and our take profit targets all at once. By doing this, we remove emotion from the equation. The moment the trade is live, our plan is already being executed by the platform. System over feelings. A pro secret, trailing stops. This allows your stop loss to move up automatically as the price increases. It locks in profit while still giving the trade room to run. I'll show you how to set the activation price and the callback rate to maximize your gains on those explosive SOL moves. Risk management is why I'm still here. Never risk more than 1% of your total account on a single trade. If you have $1,000, your maximum loss should be $10. I'll show you how to calculate your position size so your losses are always small and controlled. This is how you achieve long-term success. Always aim for at least a 1-2 risk to reward ratio. This means for every $1 you risk, you aim to make $2. With this math, you only need to be right 40% of the time to be a profitable trader. Stop chasing perfect trades and start following the professional math. Discipline is your edge. I'll show you the exact formula for position sizing. It's based on your stop loss distance and your 1% risk amount. By using this math, you can trade any asset, regardless of volatility, while keeping your total account risk exactly the same. This is the hallmark of a professional trader. Advanced orders like OCO allow you to set a stop loss and a take profit simultaneously on the spot market. If one is hit, the other is cancelled. This gives you peace of mind and allows you to trade without needing to be at your desk 24/7. I'll show you how to set these up for maximum efficiency. If you're too busy to trade yourself, Bybit copy trading is a great option. You can automatically mirror the trades of professional investors. I'll show you how to read their ROI, win rate, and drawdown stats to pick the right traders to follow and build a passive trading income. Even with copy trading, you must manage risk. I'll show you how to set a copy stop loss and a max position limit to ensure that even if the trader you're following has a bad day, your account is still protected. Never give anyone full control of your capital without these guardrails. Want your crypto to work for you while you sleep? Bybit Earn offers flexible savings and dual asset mining. I'll show you how to stake your USDT or BTC to earn daily interest with zero risk to your principal. It's the perfect way to grow your stack between big market moves. Dual asset mining is a high-yield product that allows you to profit from sideways markets. I'll show you how it works and how you can earn high APY by selling your crypto at your desired target price while getting paid to wait. It's an advanced strategy made simple by the Bybit UI. Looking for the next 100x gem? Bybit Launchpad gives you early access to new projects before they hit the general market. I'll show you how to participate and how to use your MNT tokens to get allocations in the hottest upcoming crypto projects. Early access is a huge advantage. Automation is the future. Bybit's trading bots allow you to execute strategies 24/7. Grid bots are perfect for range-bound markets, while DCA bots help you accumulate assets over time. I'll show you how to set these up and let the AI do the heavy lifting for you. Stay productive. Let's set up a spot grid bot for Bitcoin. We define our price range and the number of grids. The bot will automatically buy low and sell high within that range, capturing small profits consistently. It's a great way to monetize market volatility without any emotional stress. DCA is the most proven wealth-building strategy. A DCA bot buys a fixed amount of crypto at regular intervals. I'll show you how to set one up for Solana so you can build a massive position over months without worrying about the daily price noise. Consistency is the key to wealth. Psychology is 90% of trading. The market is designed to take money from the emotional and give it to the disciplined. I'll show you the fear and greed cycle and how to identify when you're being driven by emotion rather than your plan. Master your mind. Master the market. Every pro trader has losses. The difference is how they handle them. A loss is just a business expense. Don't revenge trade to get it back. Stick to the system we've built today. If you hit your stop loss, walk away, review the trade, and wait for the next high probability setup. Patience is profit. FOMO, the fear of missing out, is your biggest enemy. If you miss a breakout, don't chase it. Chasing trades results in bad entries and large losses. The market will always provide another opportunity tomorrow. Discipline means having the strength to wait for the market to come to you. Stay disciplined. We've covered a massive amount of ground today. From account security and dashboard navigation to advanced futures, strategies, and deep technical analysis. You now have the full toolkit to start trading on Bybit like a professional. Take it step by step and don't rush the process. Trading is a marathon, not a sprint. Practice everything we've talked about today. Use a demo account if you're not ready for real funds yet. I believe in you. With the right education and discipline, anyone can succeed in this market. Now, go out there and execute your plan. I hope you found this 30-minute masterclass valuable. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more deep dives. Comment below with your favorite trading pair. I'm Sami Assam, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy trading and stay profitable. Samyesam one out. To truly master the charts, you must recognize advanced patterns. Look at this head and shoulders forming on Bitcoin. This is one of the most reliable trend reversal patterns. We draw the neckline to identify our breakpoint. On the flip side, we have the double bottom. See how Solana tested this support twice and held? This Bobby pattern signals that the sellers are exhausted and the bulls are ready to take control again. It's a high confidence long signal. Bybit now offers TradeGPT, an AI-powered assistant. You can ask it for real-time market sentiment or technical summaries. It's like having a professional analyst sitting right beside you, scanning thousands of data points in seconds. Let's ask TradeGPT for the current BTC sentiment. Within seconds, it gives us a breakdown of social sentiment, on-chain flow, and technical levels. Use this as a starting point for your own research to confirm your trading thesis. For those who want to explore DeFi, Bybit Web3 is the gateway. This is a non-custodial wallet integrated directly into the platform. You control your private keys. It's the safest way to interact with dApps and decentralized exchanges. With DEX Pro, You can trade tokens that aren't even listed on the main exchange yet. This is where you find the early gems. Bybit makes it simple to swap assets across multiple chains with institutional-grade security. Stay early, stay profitable. The market never sleeps, and neither should your ability to trade. The Bybit mobile app is incredibly powerful. You can set price alerts, monitor your positions, and even execute complex futures trades with just a few taps while on the move. Pro tip: set custom notifications for your key support and resistance levels. This way, you're always alerted the moment a trade setup is ready, without having to watch the screens 24/7. Your phone is your most powerful trading tool. If you're holding Solana long term, don't let it sit idle. Bybit offers liquid staking for SOL. You earn a high APR while still being able to use your staked tokens as collateral for other trades. It's a double win for your portfolio growth. We also have deep integration with protocols like Jito. By holding JitoSol, you participate in MEV rewards, giving you one of the highest yields in the Solana ecosystem. This is how you maximize every single dollar of your trading capital. Before we wrap up, let's review our security checklist. 2FA enabled? Check. Address whitelisting on? Check. Anti-phishing code set? Check. Security is a habit, not a one-time event. Keep your account locked down at all times. For large amounts of capital, consider using a hardware wallet in conjunction with Bybit. Move your long-term profits off the exchange and into cold storage. This is the ultimate Fort Knox strategy for serious investors. Control your keys. If you ever get stuck, Bybit support is top-notch. Use the 24/7 live chat or the comprehensive help center. There's also a massive community of traders you can learn from. Never be afraid to ask questions. We are all learning together. The most important tool for growth is your trading journal. Record every trade, why you entered, how you felt, and the outcome. Reviewing your mistakes is the only way to become a top 1% trader. Be honest with yourself and the data. Remember, consistency beats luck every time. Focus on high probability setups and strict risk management. A 5% monthly gain might not seem like much, but compounded over years, it becomes a life-changing fortune. Play the long game. Greed is the silent killer. Don't chase pumps and don't double down on losing trades. Stick to your stop loss and take your profits when your targets are hit. The market will always be there tomorrow. Don't let one bad day end your career. Stay informed. Use reliable news sources and follow the macro environment. Interest rates, inflation, and institutional flow all impact crypto. Bybit's built-in newsfeed is a great way to stay ahead of the narrative shifts in real time. To recap, BTC is bullish above our key EMA support. SOL is forming a power flag. We have our entries, our stops, and our targets. We are trading with a plan and total discipline. We are ready for whatever the market throws at us. You now have the knowledge and the tools to master Bybit. But knowledge without action is useless, and action without discipline is dangerous. Take what you've learned today and practice it daily. I believe in your potential to succeed. Join our community to stay updated. I post daily analysis and trade setups to help you stay ahead. Let's build our wealth together. Don't forget to like and share this video with your fellow traders. Your support means everything. Thank you for spending these 30 minutes with me. It's been an honor to guide you. I'm Sami Assam, and I'll see you in the next masterclass. Happy trading, stay profitable, and stay safe. Sami Assam one out. Let's look closer at copy trading. When you follow a master trader, you can see their entire history. Look for low drawdown and consistent ROI. Bybit allows you to set specific funds for each trader, ensuring your main capital remains independent and safe while you learn from the best in the business. For those who want to use their profits in the real world, the Bybit card is a game changer. It's a MasterCard that lets you spend your crypto anywhere MasterCard is accepted. You can pay for your coffee or travel directly from your Bybit balance with instant conversion. It bridges the gap between digital assets and daily life. Advanced traders will love the MT4 and MT5 integration. You can connect your Bybit account to these world-class trading terminals to use custom expert advisors and advanced automated scripts. This provides institutional-grade tools to retail traders, allowing for more complex strategy execution and management. Organization is key to mastery. Bybit allows you to create multiple sub-accounts. You can use one for spot investing, one for high-leverage futures, and another for bot testing. This keeps your strategies separate and prevents one bad move in a risky strategy from affecting your long-term investment goals. Options trading is another powerful tool. You can buy calls if you expect a pump, or puts to hedge against a dump. Options provide a way to gain massive exposure with limited risk. The most you can lose is the premium you pay. It's an essential part of a truly professional trading toolkit for hedging volatility. As you grow, Bybit rewards you. The VIP program offers massive fee discounts, dedicated account managers, and early access to industry events. Once your volume increases, you'll find that being a VIP significantly lowers your business costs, making your profitable strategies even more effective. Aim high and reach for the top tiers. For the developers and bot users, Bybit's API is robust and fast. You can create your own trading bots or connect to third-party tools via API keys. Always ensure you limit your API permissions to trading only. Never enable withdrawal permissions for third-party bots to keep your funds under your total control. Trading can be a team sport. Bybit hosts the WSOT, the World Series of Trading, the biggest competition in crypto. You can join teams, compete for millions in prizes, and test your skills against the best in the world. It's a great way to learn, have fun, and potentially win life-changing rewards alongside our community. Never stop learning. The Bybit Learn portal is packed with free articles, courses, and webinars. Whether it's a new chain or a complex derivative product, there is always more to master. I use it myself to stay updated on the latest market trends. Education is the ultimate edge in the fast-paced world of crypto. We are in the early days of a financial revolution. Crypto is more than just price charts. It's about financial freedom and global inclusion. By mastering these tools today, you are positioning yourself at the forefront of the future of money. Be proud of the work you've put in during this 30-minute session. Your future self will thank you. As we reach the end of this masterclass, here is your roadmap. First, secure your account. Second, master technical analysis. Third, never break your risk management rules. And fourth, stay disciplined through every win and loss. You now have the keys to the kingdom. It's time to go out there and build your legacy in the crypto world. I'm Sami Assam, and this has been your 30-minute masterclass. Let's make it happen together. Wait, I have a special bonus for you. In the description below, you'll find a link to download my professional trading checklist for free. Use it before every trade to ensure you're following the steps we covered today. This is my gift to you for completing this 30-minute masterclass. Let's keep building that wealth. One more time, I'm Sami Assam, and I'll see you at the top. Happy trading.